Hi guys, let's take a look on 20-inch folding bike from Hijoebikes. Folding frame here. With a lock. We open here. Open and take out, and then the frame can folding to front to left. And we also use the folding stone here, folding here. And we can adjust the heightness here. On the handlebar, you can see we put a big LCD screen here. We have 5 different pedals assisted. Number 5 will be 50 kilometers per hour max speed. And these 5 numbers means 5 different pedal assisted speed. When we pedaling, the motor will be running because we have a sensor here. When we pedaling, this whole sensor gives signal to controller, and the controller gives signal to the motor, then it will be running. Or when we switch throttle here, we switch throttle, motor will be running at full speed. It can reach to 50 kilometers per hour. Because we use the 750 brushless motor, 48 volt, 15 amp an hour lithium battery. This bike can go about 80 kilometers per hour with full speed. Let's take a full view of the bike. The tire is 20 plus 4 inch wide tire from Kenda. Rear rack can carry 25 kg. This bike can carry 120 kg. This is a classical design from Hijoebikes. Take a look on this side. Thank you.